Good. That is it. Because he doesn't work for the club. He doesn't play for the club as a footballer. And according to investigation, Omutaba Stadium constantly from around Nsoatreman in the town. Tell us say there's no day Omuhu Nipanokra based on picture and circulating it. Omuhu face in the stadium. So it tells you say we can say he has no connection with the club. So if he has no connection with the club, we also look at it and say, fine. Then why don't we wait for the person to be arrested? Then we look at the way forward. But now the person has run. But we will retaliate on Nsoatreman Football Club. I don't know say any fan name Nsoatreman any connection there. So why would you attack someone? And Nana, back to where if we can come back to playing the Premier League, Look, Nsoatreman Football Club has had a very good relationship with Asante Kotoko. And we want to bring back that good relationship. And I think that will be when Nsoatreman Football Club able to me back say Yebebo League, And a incident happened. We were looking out for saying KBA Yebenya some intermediaries and then between Kotoko and Nsoatreman Football Club and Nanki settle issue Look, they now court declare say the suspect is on the run. Me that day on court will be the first person I see free in the hall say me say suspect me being and the suspect me was from my senior brother Duku of Kotoko communications manager. So that means Kotoko is also aware, say, so now we are looking at for say, you bet me GFA say. Now let's sit down with Asante Kotoko between Nsoatreman Football Club and Kotoko. Let's settle the issue. Can we address the fans of the various the two clubs more to let them know say this is what has actually transpired. So let's all team up and make sure say we can arrest the suspect. But I don't think the GFA has done any of that sort. It is like Kotoko is handling the issue on their own. Nsoatreman Football Club is also handling the issue on their own. And now the team suffering in this case, is Nsoatreman Football Club. I think the GFA or maybe some opinion leaders or maybe some political intervention can come in if maybe the relationship now and Kotoko wanna break or make men back together will be very good with it because Kotoko the first team a year being an Aframan Sapa you invite you a kind of and Kotoko enya kufuo kapa no babebon they invited us and aside that Yumano Kote is the only player locally yaton or the Ghanaian Premier League club and look they now decided on selling him to Kotoko or not. It became some way. I think some of us even brought up this. Man, Kotoko, the other and jokingly, you pay for about crack as to say, "Jamu mutin in Afra, my Kotoko Funtino." You man, could you have Kramu Peso Sanko Buamusim Kotoko? It is also tells you say, "Yeah, Krampona years most most of us support Kotoko because Kotoko team never before into a Football Club ever." If you look at or the same goalkeeper, former goalkeeper for Kotoko, Amwako Isaac Amwako. Only have a huge amount for Nsoatreman Football Club. Look at the former players of Asante Kotoko, I sign you more. Obinim Sika, Nomone, Baba Mahama, Abbas, Munina. So it tells you say, Yene Kotoko was strong bond. But ne, Obina Koka, Eddie Ababeka, Ama and ne, that relationship na breaking. So we'll only come back to the league, in fact, if that relationship is re-established. And let me be quick to add, say that relationship no, it's me men de back. I didn't say Nana, we wouldn't even need a single policeman to follow Nsoatreman Football Club to any game.
Wow. So what has been the reaction of the community folks? Fiti Sunyai Edeba and Nsoatre Chumesi Kromne fear pre. What are the people saying with regards to this decision?
Now they are worried, and William, I didn't say time and not year bear now, so your decision to withdraw from the league. You know, we feared or were afraid. Say people will be happy say we're withdrawing from the league, but from information I gather, social media, radio, phonies, and what have you know, and sometimes people meet you and ask why you are withdrawing, and they try to even plead with you, say, "Who be tomorrow rescinding my decision?" It's like people are not happy saying Nsoatreman Football Club withdraw from the league. And it's the same thing in our surroundings. Saying now we be around Nsoatreman, they are worried because it has served as an entertainment for the people around. A team recently, our Africa or the fan by winning FA Cup, we saw the jubilation around Bono region. So this is a team and is going to be an enterprising team or be to me a champion within Ghana and the region. So now people are really worried. People are really worried and they are praying and asking us to come. But let me be quick to also add they say one worrying thing, they say when say you break key players we had some of their parents calling to beg, say, almost say, and Kayama, almost players, no, Amomano, Emra back to come and continue their career. Me and finally will be able to be their bomb mobile. Because these players now, most of them are breadwinners. They are taking care of their parents. If you create because you say, well, one or back cry, and I cry, I went to know, almost me refee. Omomano, more bones to a minor, no win your salary, and almost any diablo momodidi. It's now they are worried. We had about 6 of them calling to beg. From Friday, then you may be see and then minimum one best friend. Which is so for you about 6 parents calling to please say in Kayama players in Samra back now, say at least these players can take care of them back home. These are some of the things that call around regarding the withdrawal of Nsoatreman Football Club from the league.
Joel, this is very hard to take. It's really hard to take. I'm looking at the talent Confederations Cup representatives. Na CAF for better I say Mogumu team. Wow. What Honorable Ignatius Bafwewa, what is happening to him now? Owen?
Well, currently on the fee, and he's a worried man, he's not happy. Because I can confidently tell you, Sebi, among from Fanchame, Penity is you and Canwa Bonting. But I can tell you that there was a caller, yes, about for receiving from one of the parents. When me and you call name, the man was teary into a jar corner the man want another person to continue with the conversation. You see, he's a worried man and at the same time a confused man. Now he doesn't know whether to rescind his decision because of the future of maybe a certain players and how they will be able to take care of home, or maybe to also consider the security of this player. He's confused and worried at the same time.
Hi, bro. Thank you for talking to us, and I'll call you after the show.
Very good. I'll be glad if maybe some political hands can come in, because let me tell you point blank. Me for one, though I work for an MPP man, Honorable Ignatius Bafwewa, but my grandfather, my mom's dad, was an MP on the ticket of NDC for 12 good years at Tebu North, then later Pro East constituency. So I'm a typical NDC member. I'm a card-bearing NDC member, and I can confidently tell you, Honorable Ignatius Bafwewa is aware. Our new acting general manager, who also serves on the board, Alphonse Kujo, is a card-bearing NDC member. So I think we have the various political divide and the perfume while they are working in the club. So we'll be glad, so we'll get support. And most especially to repair the relationship, the damaged relationship between Yanni Kumasa and Kotoko supporters. We really need them. Say a phone common fan say, but the issue is the police investigation Nsoatreman anymore. Incident fan say they should accept the team back, they should accept us back. Well, I don't know if your leaders know let us come back to play. But if even a moment Bokrana, They should accept us that we are part of the society.
Well, Joel, Yedibesia, thanks for your time, okay?
You're welcome, Nana.
All right. Joel Gyempeh. Joel says me addressing as a former communications director of Nsoatreman. A stranger. He's a communications director of a team that does no more exist. So virtually his position is non-existent. And Zoguzugaza. All right. Now, and so weekend with the finals of the Women's FA Cup